Here we are at Whipoorwill. This is our very next project. I'm super excited about it because this is going to be my house. So here's the living room. We knocked out some walls. It's 1970s step down, you know, which we actually loved. Our hillside house, if you remember seeing that time lapse, that actually really worked out. So we kept the stair. This used to be a bar over here. We had to tear all that out because it just took up too much living space. Although a bar would be cool, maybe in double the size of this house. But we're sitting at 2,000 square feet. We did some modifications to this entrance. We took it back 2 feet here so that we had more of an open floor plan. I always like to see the front door from the back door, and as much as possible. Obviously, we're off just a little bit to do that. Has a fireplace. You know, we're kind of kicking around whether or not we keep it. I think we're going to keep it. Probably clean it up, paint it, do some brickwork, paint that. It should turn out really awesome. Laminate floors. We're going to go with retextured walls, paint, all brand new. This kitchen is going to have, it's going to start about right here. It's going to go all the way down and over, and then it's going to have a beautiful island here with granite countertops, built-in wine cooler, high-end gas electric range. So anyway, so if you keep coming back this way, so the island will be here, fridge will go here, we'll have a little pantry. We've got a little half bath in here, have a little vanity and a toilet. This will be Rochelle's office here. Slash laundry room. We actually wanted the laundry room as far away from the living space as we could because nobody likes hearing their laundry go. So we're going to stick that in here, maybe do a stacker, put some doors on it, and then it has an exterior door, which I love for an office, is to be able to go in and out of it without bugging anybody in the main house. And then you can write it off on your taxes too if it has its own dedicated door. So that's really awesome. Got to fix that window, little fire damage. All right, so back to the main entrance. Probably put some new doors on there. This way is the current master design, so they had the master back here. We're gonna reconfigure this. This room will stay the same, but the other rooms will change. This will have a walk-in shower. It'll be all tiled in. Should be really beautiful. With a toilet there. I'll probably do a glass door on it so it opens it up, and then a dual sink vanity here. Closet in that room. So this door will go away here. We're going to take all this lumber out here, this section. We're going to put this enormous soaker tub for all you gals out there. We're going to be she can put her glass of wine right here. That's what she's really excited about. Have our toilet there. We'll have our dual sink vanity here, mirror, and then we're going to have a walk-in shower here, tiled in. Should be really awesome. And then we'll have doors on this wall. We were going to take this wall down, but we didn't have enough room to do it, so it wasn't worth it. So we're just going to put we're going to put an entry door in, probably with a barn door slider. And then this will be enclosed. This will be the door entrance. There'll be a walk-in closet door here, so you can go into that. And then this will be my closet. We'll probably leave it about the same. Probably put some bifold doors on it. Bed here, and then obviously our barn door slider here. And then we'll do a TV mount in the corner, and that'll be where our TV will go. So. But hallway, obviously, this is all staying the same. We did an insert here. Just my daughter is going to be using this bathroom. We'll have a new vanity with tile backsplash. Do the floors tile. We'll probably tile those in, so it'll bump it up quite a bit. And then we may do a little accent tile around the toilet there. And then there's a hallway closet, and then my daughter here. Pretty exciting stuff.